what do you do when you don't have like worms? Well, what I like to fish with a lot of times is what's known as a rooster tail. The white rooster tail works really, really well for stuff like these brim. And see, that guy just popped off. But a white rooster tail works really, really well. And if usually, just about everything will bite on it. And how it works, let's see if you can see that. Pretty much it goes through the water, let's see, and it spins. And if you get it going really, really well, it'll spin like that. And it'll catch just about anything. And it'll catch those brim that you just saw, or bluegill. We've caught a largemouth on it. It'll catch some good fish. I'm using a white rooster tail. Usually that's what I try to use. The water is really murky right now. So I've caught 2 so far, but we've had a lot of action on the lake, so hadn't got a chance to show you guys. But what I'm doing is I'm fan casting, so I'm casting back and forth, and then I'm casting through. And I might go on the other side of the road and cast from the other side. So, first fish of the day, boys and girls. Nice bass. Nice. All right, first bass of the morning. Wow, that's a nice bass. I really like that. Let's let this guy go. All right, buddy. Two of the day. This guy came up and hammered it. He hammered it. He hammered it. He's a fighter. This is number 2. Let's get him up out of the water. A yellow rooster tail. Let me get him at least back in the water a little bit. This guy, not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. Let's see. Let me show you. Oh, oops. Sorry, buddy. Not a bad fish. I'd say about a pound at the most. But decent fish. Really, really happy with that. The water is so daggum nasty today. But, all right. And this is just off of a yellow rooster tail. I'll show you what I'm using, but I'm going to let him go. See ya, buddy. So, but right now I switched to a yellow rooster tail. That right there. And that's what caught him. Couldn't get him on film reeling them in. I just wanted to get them in, to be honest, the bank, because I'd lost so many. But yeah, it's a little 1/8 ounce, and it's working pretty well.